everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to lock WhatsApp. So for that, open the WhatsApp application. Now once you're at the home page of WhatsApp, you tap on the three dotted lines on the top right corner of your screen. Tap that. From the options, you tap on settings. In the setting, you need to tap on privacy. Tap that. In the privacy page, you will need to scroll down to the very bottom and you will have the option of fingerprint lock. Tap that. The only way you can lock WhatsApp is this fingerprint lock. There is no other option for how you can lock a WhatsApp or lock the chats within. So when you enable this, you will need to use fingerprint to open the WhatsApp application. But you will still be able to answer calls if WhatsApp is locked. So to enable this, what you need to do is tap on the toggle, move it to the right side. With that, you will need to provide your fingerprint. Once the fingerprint is enabled, you will have this option pop out. Here, you will need to choose the automatically lock, that is immediately, after 1 minute or after 30 minutes. You choose the time period. Once the lock is enabled, you will have the notification from WhatsApp. So you have this option of whether you want to show content in notification or not. Preview sender and message text inside new message notification. If you disable this, you will not be able to see the content within the notification. You will be notified but not the content in that notification. If you enable this, you will be able to see what the content of the notification was about. So this is how you will be able to lock the WhatsApp. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.